What's going on? So today we got a video from Kings of Raw Body Cam, and the title of the video is Nasty Multi-Millionaire Karen Flees Traffic Stop, Then Gets the Brutal Karma of Her Life. That is a long title. Okay, Kings of Body Cam, we got to shorten that up, man. But anyway, let's get to it. Let's see what they talking about here.
With Chewies! Can I get out of here? I am making a scene. This is my fucking neighborhood.
On November 24th, 2022, officers spotted a car racing down the street at an alarming speed. They attempted a traffic stop, but the female driver accelerated and escaped, not once, but twice. When she was finally forced to stop, officers stepped in to investigate, unaware that the night was about to take an even wilder turn.
Stop her. Shut the car off, man. Shut the car off.
It's freaking Thanksgiving. I just got a divorce. My fucking daughter's not with me.
Can you step out the car, please?
What in the fuck is this? I'm trying to get home.
Step out the car, please, man.
Yes, sir. What? No. No. What are you doing? Are you kidding me?
Can somebody come get your car for you?
No, I don't have anybody.
Okay.
You guys, please don't. I just got a divorce. I'm trying to move. Please don't do this. What are you doing?
I'll take care of the paperwork. Just hang tight, okay?
You're arresting me for stupid run.
Sure, okay.
Please let me out. Please let me out.
If you do that, I'm gonna pepper spray you. You got
I
me?
mean, I fucking get
I'm
turds.
going to pepper spray you. If
Dude,
you,
I live in a $3 million house down the street.
Just hear
Can
me
you
out.
write me up?
hear me this.
My daughter, I'm gonna lose my daughter today.
Listen to me carefully.
Look at this.
If you kick the window,
That's
I'm
my
going to
head. I
pepper
didn't
spray
kick
you.
the window.
Whatever you do, you bang your head in the window. If you don't sit here properly, I'm going to
How
pepper
long
spray
are we
you.
doing this for?
You've been warned.
How long has this been for?
Until I'm done doing what I need to do, ma'am, all right? I'll come talk to you in a second.
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to endanger anybody, but the police officer on the other...
Apology accepted.
But the guy on the other side told me to beat the runners over.
Listen to me.
Like,
Hear me, stop.
this is hurting.
I need to bring it down. Listen.
This is killing
I'll
me.
adjust that for you. Hear me out. All right? Right now, you're at a level 10. I need you to bring it down to a 2.
Here's a level 2. Ready? I was trying to go to the gas station this morning, and I can't get off my neighborhood.
I promise you I'll come talk to you, all right? But what I need you to do is don't bang your head in the window. Don't kick anything. I need you to sit here. You're in handcuffs. You're arrested. All right? I can't change that. It is
For
what
what?
it is. Fleeing and eluding. It is what it is. If you continue to do that, I'm telling you,
Fuck my life!
you're going to be...
You don't get what I just went through. Like at all. I just want to fucking go home. You don't get it. I went through a 3-year divorce. The fuckface took all my money. I'm fighting for my kid back. I mean, I do not deserve this.
Listen, I'm sorry that you had to go through that.
Like, I'm going to lose my daughter today, too.
Alright? Stop screaming. This isn't gonna get you out of it. This isn't gonna get you out of
Help me, though. This is hurting. Look at my arms.
Hey, ma'am.
Look, you're killing me. You're killing me. This is so tight. I'm a fucking resident of this
I'm
neighborhood.
trying to adjust it for you.
I'm a resident of this neighborhood. Can I stand up?
No, turn around. If you want me to adjust it for you, you gotta turn around.
Ow! Oh my god! You're so tight!
I'm trying to adjust.
Please let me out of this fucking
I can see, I can see why she getting a divorce, man. Just just be quiet for just 2 minutes. Not the hooting and hollering, not the yelling. Please, just, oh my goodness. It's not that tight. The one on the right, let me show you. The one on the right, it looks a little bit tight. You know what I'm saying? But it's cuffs are not. The one on the left is definitely loose. It's damn near coming down her. You know, you can see the crack right here. It's coming down. This one, it might be a tad bit tight, but You fleeing and eluding. What do you expect? Okay, they don't know you. They don't know you from a can of paint. They don't know you from a hole in the wall. Okay, they don't know that you live here, this, that, and the third just yet. They just see you as a suspect who is taken off from the cops. Point blank, period. So that's what's gonna happen. Things like that is gonna happen, but come on, man. You can't blame other people for your actions. Your actions got you in this situation. She's talking about, oh, I'm gonna lose my daughter, this, that, and the third. I mean, yeah, this don't look that good. About to go into divorce, gonna be splitting up assets, and well, you ain't really splitting up no assets. She's gonna probably get everything. You know what I'm saying? That's how it goes. You know what I'm saying? Split up assets, my ass. She's getting everything. So you could just get you as the guy. You gonna start over, okay? She got everything, okay? She gonna start over, so you gonna start over. But anyway, that's another story for another day. But this don't look good as far as like custody for kids and stuff like that or whatever. But something like this really isn't even that bad. I mean, you in order for, the kid to be taken away from the mom or something like that, man, you got to be like a murderer or something like that. It got to be really bad. You know what I'm saying? So she just a lot is going on in her mind right now, but she gonna be just fine. Ain't nothing gonna happen. She gonna get all this shit. She gonna keep her kids, you know what I'm saying? Which, you know what I mean? Whatever. She just gotta hold her head, man, and just do this. Just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just for 2 minutes.
Shit. Ah! Are you taking me all the way to jail? Can we just get this over with because I'm going to lose my daughter today? I haven't seen her in 3 weeks and I'm supposed to see her this morning.
Stop. Okay. Hey, ma'am, are you the registered on the vehicle?
I think so.
What's your first name?
Ashley Morgan. Morgan Auto Groups, who I just divorced.
Please spell your first name.
Ashley! With 2 E's. Can I get out of here?
Stop screaming.
Can I stand up? I'm having an anxiety attack.
Making a scene.
I am making a scene. This is my fucking neighborhood. I'm a Snell Isle resident. I live in a $3 million house with these assholes. No, you did not.
Get back in the car now. Back in the car. Get back in the car.
Let me out.
Last walkers are approaching 30th Avenue on First Street.
Hey, I got it here.
So want on David or you want on
David's one. Because I'm logging up like they're not some charges.
Please let me out. I need to talk to my attorney. Please, he's in my phone. You can call him for me. Please.
I need you to calm down.
I need to call my attorney, though. Please, I need help. Please, I have the right to have my attorney. Right? I have the right to speak with my attorney.
So, hear me
To
out.
represent me.
Are you going to allow me to explain to you? Okay. Your charges are this. As of now, there may be more. Fleeing and looting, hit and run because you hit a stop sign, reckless driving, and obstruction. All right? Those are your charges, all right? I would love to talk to you about it, all right? If you would like your attorney present, then I cannot talk to you about it. Would you like that, your attorney?
Am I going to jail?
Yes, you are.
Yes, I need my attorney.
Okay, so I won't ask you any questions, all right? When you go to jail, you can phone your lawyer there. All right, ma'am?
Are we going now?
No.
Why are you doing this to me?
Hey, just for purposes there, she fled from reckless. She was observed driving reckless. Glasgow. We all observed her driving reckless coming down. We stopped her, asked for license registration. She hit the gas. She fled. And then what happened with you?
So you guys are calling out on the radio. I turn around to look at the Snell Isle Bridge, and here comes the white Range Rover, which I'm seeing over there.
How was she driving?
She was driving fast, man. She was flying.
And there were people already on the course and stuff like that too. So
yeah, the race had already started. So as she's coming across the bridge, I'm not in the center of the road, but I'm not where she should be able to see me. I'm giving her commands, saying stop the car, yelling, so my throat hurts at this point. She comes past me, and she already had the window down. She looks right at me, and she just gives me this left hand in the air going, what? And looks at me and keeps on going.
And you had your marked car there and everything else, lights were on?
Yep.
Okay.
Bond's marked car was there, my marked car was there, lights were flashing.
Cones are in the road and everything else?
Cones are looking at, I'm wearing this, and she's looking right at me, just keeps on going.
Gotcha. But do me a favor, could you come here and follow up that? Thanks, appreciate it.
Just curious how many
charges?
Yeah, you're gonna do separate ones for like me, for
I
her.
stopped her
I could-
with my flashlight.
I could do, and we all spoke to, okay, I'll do 2 separate
I mean,
ones.
it can be multiple, each one should be a different.
Racing on Thanksgiving. You can't make this up, man. Speeding on Thanksgiving. Come on now. What time is it at? It's 8 in the morning. Wow, 8 in the morning on Thanksgiving. Hopefully, I don't know, because now you're gonna go and you're probably gonna have to wait to see the judge, and the judge ain't working on no Thanksgiving, so you're man, you could kiss that food goodbye, man. That macaroni and cheese, that, you know what I'm saying, the candy yams. You know, you could kiss that stuff goodbye right now. Oh man, she's messing up, man. The collard greens, the turkey. You know what I'm saying? Most people turkey be dry, man. But if you inject it with some, with some oranges and some lemons and some juices and stuff, man, get the, man, some stuffing, man. Oh man, she gonna get a bologna sandwich on Thanksgiving up in there in the county, man. Damn.
Thing.
I'll knock that 2 after this, no problem.
All right. For me to make it easier, would you mind hitting the link and
Yeah, I'll take care of it.
I'll do the follow-up?
We're going to try to.
Anything that you need before I go
We're going to
home
try
for the day?
I'm gonna get Drew out here and Craig. I got help me from day shift, so.
Is she the owner of that car?
You
It's
still
an
want to do the
LLC.
inventory then, real quick, or?
No, I got no people here. Nick will do it. I tell you what, if you just want to transfer custody over to Nick Craig, yeah, just transfer custody.
I'm here
over.
till 9:45. So.
Are you really?
Well, that's within job.
Oh.
I mean, I'm not gonna.
I got you. Just if you could work on transferring over, and then Nick and I will knock out the rest. No big deal. Thanks, bud.
All right, let me get out of here.
Thanks, man. I'll send you a link.
Yep.
I'll send you a link.
Okay. I'm gonna do a follow-up.
Hey, hang on 1 second. Wait a minute. Wait. Hey, look.
You know I'm a Snell Isle resident?
Yeah, you're embarrassing yourself. Stop.
No, I'm not. Embarrassing myself. I'm a fucking mom on Snell Isle, and you guys fucking arrested me, pepper sprayed me 3 times. Do you want to see my boobs too? What are you guys doing?
Female officer started.
Fucking weirdos.
Do you have anything to do wrong?
No.
Just turn on right.
There you go.
This is so disgusting. I literally live on Eden Isle at 1425.
Hey, ma'am, let me tell you this. This officer checks his car before and after his shift, before and after when it gets inside, all right? You're the first person in this car for this shift. There's nothing in the car. Do you have anything
I
on
have
you?
fingernails in your car.
Yeah, slip them off.
What?
Slip them off.
Oh my god, you guys are fucking. This is disgusting.
Have a seat, okay?
There you go.
Where?
Right
In
here.
the car.
Lift.
Put your left foot up. There you go. Now put your.
You guys can pick me up. I don't know what the fuck you want.
Listen.
I can't follow directions when I can't see.
Step up. There you go. Put your butt on the thing. Up a little bit more. You can feel it. I know you can. Ma'am. Stand up. Okay. Go back a little bit. Scooch back. The seat is right there. Up
Where are we going?
in the car. You're putting your foot in the car, please.
Oh, she playing games, man.
Are you gonna pepper spray me again?
If you act up, I will.
Just sit back.
I'm trying not to. I'm trying.
You pepper sprayed me twice.
Yes, because you don't know how to act. Put your foot in the car. Oh. I got you. Put your,
Somehow it closed down me.
now put your foot in. There you go. Thank you, ma'am. Here, I'm gonna buckle you in. Behave
Why would you do that?
Because you're not behaving yourself. Jesus. Thanks, Jen.
The woman was charged with resisting an officer without violence, leaving the scene of a crash involving property damage, fleeing and eluding law enforcement, and reckless driving. If you enjoyed watching this video,
Damn, she messing up. She messing up. I'm sure that's a Thanksgiving she never gonna forget, man. Never. Never gonna forget. She said her name is Ashley Morgan. If you Google it, her case pops right up too. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Police stop St. Pete woman from driving Range Rover into path of runners on Thanksgiving. Too early in the morning for that too. She was the first one in the car. 8 o'clock in the goddamn morning. Come on, man. God damn. Thanksgiving's supposed to be peaceful. Things don't start getting, chaotic until like later. You know what I'm saying? Once you get that spiked eggnog up in you and all of that, and get the drinks flowing and all. But not 8 in the morning, okay? Not 8 in the morning. So and just because you live in a $3 million house ain't getting you out of this, okay? So anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job. I wish we could have seen some of that spray, because maybe I missed that part. I don't know. I didn't see the pepper spray part, but whatever. I was also looking up the case. But anyways, I give the officers a 3 out of 5. I think they did pretty good. You know what? Nah, I'm changing it to 4. 4 out of 5. They did pretty good. Whatever. Just because you flaunting money around don't make you better or worse than anybody else. So you're going to get the same treatment as everybody else, okay? Get in line, all right, baby? So anyway, let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.